5 steps to YouTube channel branding plus 5 extras. If you want to build a brand on YouTube for yourself or for your business, these tips will help you do it. Let's jump right in. The first, what a new viewer will see is your thumbnail. Thumbnail has to have one layout, one font, one color palette, and it has to be clear, easy to read, and interesting. Once they click, next they will see your video. Your video needs to have your name title, for example, like this. It needs to have an insert with some background music, and it needs to have a custom end screen. Let's run the insert and remember to watch till the end to see how I did my end screen. If people like your content, now they will click on your profile to see your channel. Profile image. For a personal brand, it needs to be a tightly framed portrait of your face. Open, friendly smile, high contrast, interesting. Think clickbait. Remember that we are working here with Reptile Brain. What looks good gets clicks. Now they will see your banner. Banner has to follow your thumbnail layout. You need to have a general branding guideline that you will use consistently. Put your face in the middle and use your name or the name of your business in the background or next to you. When they scroll down, now it's time to browse the videos. Have your videos in 2 or 3 categories by topic. I'm using 2, building your personal brand and DIY. Change the order manually to put your latest and most popular videos up on top to get more views. That's the main 5. Let's check at the 5 extra tips. Write a bio. Anything about your personal story makes you more relatable. Add links to your other social medias and your websites on the bottom right corner of your banner. Open a discussion by writing something that people would like to comment on. Create a channel trailer when you have enough great content for people to see first. Choose a highlighted featured video for returning subscribers. And here it is. Apply these changes to your channel and over time, your brand will become a real thing. If you want me to do a more detailed tutorial about any of these steps, please comment below and I'll do my best to create one as soon as possible. If you like this video, please hit thumbs up and subscribe for more. For the last part, now it begs the question, why is this important? We are here building personal brands, so let's learn from the pros. For example, take Louis' house. Very easy to recognize any of his content. Orange, black, white, similar layout. School of Greatness, easy to remember. Another one, Tom Bilyeu, Impact Theory. Light blue, white tall font, consistent layout in thumbnails. All the best ones have brand guideline that they follow consistently. If you apply the same methodology to your channel, over time, people start to remember it and recognize it. Go ahead and check my channel page after watching this to see how I'm developing this brand myself. And think about it this way, if I may borrow some terms from investing. If each of these steps improve your channel by 1% and you do them all, your interest rate might grow by 5% or maybe by 10%. And by interest rate, I'm here obviously referring to views and subscribers. Over time, that increase in your consistent and gradual improvement will compound the interest and pay you back in multiples from your first 5% initial investment. In summary, big goals are achieved by small actions. Thanks for watching and tune in for more.